In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the Realtor.com app. By the end, you'll feel confident searching the right areas, dialing in your criteria, saving the homes you love, and hiding the ones you don't, all without feeling overwhelmed. Start by opening the Realtor.com app. If it's your first time, give it a second to load, and if prompted, allow location access so the map can center near you. A quick tip: make sure you're on a reliable internet connection and using the latest version of the app for the smoothest experience. Next, head to the main search bar at the top. Type a city, a zip code, or even a school district, whichever best reflects where you want to live. As you type, you'll see suggestions appear. Tap the one that matches, and the app will update the map and the list of homes below. This is a great way to compare different areas quickly. Enter one location, scan what's available, then try another to see how prices and options shift. If you want to focus on a very specific pocket, switch your attention to the map and tap the draw icon, the little pencil. Use your finger to circle the exact neighborhood or set of streets you care about. Zoom in for more precision and try to close the loop so the app knows your boundary. If your first outline isn't perfect, simply redraw it. This tool is especially handy when you know the streets you like, but the official neighborhood border doesn't quite match your target. Now, refine your results with filters. Tap Filters and set your price range, number of bedrooms, and property type. You can also add keywords like pool or garage to surface features that matter most to you. If you're getting too many results, tighten one setting at a time. If you get too few, relax a filter to broaden your options. When you apply the filters, watch how the map and list update in real time. When a home catches your eye, tap the heart icon on its card to save it. This creates a handy shortlist you can revisit anytime in your Save tab, so you don't lose track of promising options while you continue exploring. And if a listing clearly isn't a fit, tap the eye icon or choose Hide. That removes it from your active map and keeps your search feed clean and focused on places you actually want to consider. That's the core workflow. Search your area, draw to target precisely, filter to refine, save the good ones, and hide the rest. With a few minutes of practice, you'll turn the app into a powerful, clutter-free home hunting tool.